Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Solana to MetaMask. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and type in solflare.com/metamask. After that, give it a go and you will be redirected to this web page. Now, all you need to do is click on this Get Started button and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on Continue multiple times and this section will appear. Now click on the Connect to MetaMask button and a new pop-up will load up. Inside it, MetaMask will ask you to agree to terms. After that, click on the Connect button and once it loads up, select Install. Now, check mark this box, click on Confirm and the installation will be completed. Once done, click on the MetaMask icon at the top, click on the three dots menu and inside the Snap section, you can see that the Solana wallet is enabled. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.